Okay, number 46, get the cotangent theta by itself. Subtract 2 on both sides, and I get cotangent, I wrote cosine, but I get cotangent theta equals 0. So cotangent theta equals 0. So I want to look at the cotangent graph. So I drew that first one a little off, but I can see from the cotangent graph that cotangent theta is equal to 0 at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Another way to do that without the graph is to use your unit circle. Then you have to know your definition for cotangent. I know that tangent theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, so it's y over x, if I were to draw a right triangle in quadrant 1. So tangent theta is y over x, so cotangent theta is equal to x over y. So if cotangent theta is equal to 0, I need this to be a 0 over y. So I need the x to be 0, and I need to have a y value. So that's going to happen at both pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2, or negative pi over 2. But because we're asking from 0 to 2 pi, it's at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Both of those values, that if it was a unit circle, this would be 0, 1 and 0, negative 1. So the cotangent would be the x value divided by the y value, 0 divided by 1, and 0 divided by negative 1.